ओके, नाउ पेज के सेंटर से थोड़ा सा नीचे, पेज के सेंटर लाइन से थोड़ा सा नीचे आपको एक स्लिपिंग लाइन ड्रॉ करना है. यू कैन ड्रॉ द स्लिपिंग लाइन डायरेक्टली विथ योर हैंड, नो नीड टू यूज स्केल. अगर आपका लाइन थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा मेढ़ा जाता है तो दैट इज फाइन. Today we are doing black and white shading picture. Here today we need some cotton or earbud, black sketch pen, a tissue paper or a rough paper. Here we are going to draw a scenery picture. For that, first we finish our border line. After that, a little bit downside from the center, we can take a slipping line directly with your hand. No need to use scale here. After that, I explain what is the picture. So here, downside we are going to draw some water, beach here, and upside here we are going to draw some stones and a big mountain, some grasses from downside and side angle. Then we outline the picture, and after that we are going to shade that picture with the help of our pencil. Let's start. I hope everyone finished the slipping line. Now the stones part first we finish. Just leave some place from here and take a small turn like this. Wait, everyone will finish. Everyone mute your mics. After that, here we are taking a big bumper tee with just a curved line here. A big stone is there, a big curve here as a stone, and stop till here. After every instruction, I'm waiting here. Now, we hold our pencil on biggest stone to take a turn here. One more big turn downside. And we stop our line here. While doing this curve line or bumper tee lines, take little bit curve, as this is all stones near the sea. This downside part is empty, so we are going to draw here two stones like this. Just take curves here. Downside of big stones, some empty places there, so we are going to draw here two small stones. Now this slant line we are taking downside like this. And here we make a stone and connected this line here. I feel this is an empty place. So I hold my pencil on this mountain line here. Take a slanting line, just take a curve and connect it with this stone. Everyone, mute your mic. If you have any doubt, in that case, you ask me any questions. Now, I take this line downside and connect it here. This upper part, we are going to draw a big mountain. For the mountain line, we hold our pencil on border line. Take some slipping up and down lines here like this. Take some slipping line, then up and down curve line. आपको थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा मेढ़ा लाइन निकालना है इन अ सिंपल लैंग्वेज। हम लोग कोई दूर से माउंटेन देखते हैं तो जैसे उसका लाइन स्ट्रेट नहीं दिखता है, सेम उसी तरीके से हम लोग यहाँ पे एक बिग माउंटेन का लाइन बनाएंगे जो थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा मेढ़ा लाइन है। आफ्टर दैट we take a point here and take one line downside, mountain shape also, if you want to make it. Just a minute, I'll correct this. With these slipping lines, you can make a mountain shape here like this with up and down line. And take this line downside here. We are going to make some grass over here like this. Just a up and down line. Some grass are small and some are big. I repeat, downside on the border line, we are going to draw some grass. Just up and down lines are there. Some grass are big and some grass are small. So randomly you can take small and big lines. Water effect. Only this much grass. After that, for everyone, if you have any doubt, in that time you ask me questions. Till that, just mute your mic because जब आप बात करते हो तो बाकी बच्चों को स्क्रीन पे आप दिखते हो, पिक्चर नहीं दिखता है. So everyone, please mute your mic. After every instructions, I am waiting here for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, let's start. We are going to make here some water waves. Now, how to make water waves? So here we are taking a small slipping line, then round bumpety lines, small and big, again some slipping line and bumpety lines, which is small and big. First line, we finish this. Till end we are doing this curves. After that, this corner part, we are making some more waves. Like this, we are going to complete this corner here. This is our complete picture. I'm waiting here for 1 minute. If anyone picture is incomplete, please complete your picture. Outline only stones. Now I'm going to start outlining the picture. Only stones we are going to outlining here. I'll repeat one more time. We are outlining only stones. मैं कर रही हूँ, आप वो पहले कंटिन्यू करो मेरे साथ. Waiting here for some time. I just finished my outlining. I'm waiting here for everyone because we are not doing every part with the outlining. जो मैं outline कर रही हूँ, उतना ही outline करो. मेरा आउटलाइनिंग होने के बाद मैं रुकने वाली हूँ. एवरीवन म्यूट योर माइक पर. हम पूरे पिक्चर को आउटलाइन नहीं करने वाले हैं, इसलिए मैं आउटलाइन करके आई एम वेटिंग फॉर एवरीवन. आउटलाइनिंग ओनली दिस मच and then complete your outlining. And if your outlining is complete, take a rest for 2 minutes. First, I'll teach you how to hold pencil for the sketching part. Normally, we are holding our pencil like this for the writing. Like this, we are write something. But while doing shading, we hold our pencil like this. Just down your pencil, hold it and do your shading like this. Again, I am going to repeat this thing. हम लोग पेंसिल शेडिंग में पेंसिल कैसे पकड़ते हैं वो मैं आपको सिखाऊंगी। हम लोग जब कुछ लिखते हैं, कुछ राइट करते हैं, तब हम लोग नॉर्मली इस टाइप का पेंसिल पकड़ते हैं जो ऊपर आता है। एंड वी आर गोइंग टू राइट हियर समथिंग व्हाट यू वांट। बट व्हाइल डूइंग पेंसिल शेडिंग, you just hold your pencil down side. बट जब हम लोगों को पेंसिल शेडिंग करना है, आप पेंसिल को ऐसे नीचे रख दो. With the help of these two fingers, hold your pencil. See, I hold my pencil like this. With the help of these two fingers, hold your pencil here and do your shading like this. After doing this shading, we are taking a small piece of cotton. Hold it on pencil shading. Press with the finger and we are moving our cotton up and down like this. And here your shading come out. I hope everyone is clear with this. आपका कोई भी नॉर्मल पेंसिल है, आप ऐसे कर सकते हो. बस आपको नीचे रखना है, दो फिंगर के साथ आपको पेंसिल पकड़ना है लाइक दिस एंड डू इट योर शेडिंग. See, today's topic is totally new topic for you, everyone. हम लोग इतना दिन क्रेयॉन कलर, कभी वाटर कलर, स्केच पेन, इससे वर्कआउट किया. नाउ टुडे वी आर स्टार्टेड न्यू टॉपिक. दिस इज द बेसिक ऑफ स्केचिंग एंड वी आर डूइंग हियर ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट शेडिंग विद द हेल्प ऑफ नॉर्मल पेंसिल. डाउन साइड I take my two fingers and hold it and see, I am going to do it one side only.
मैम, ये कलर पेंसिल है क्या?
नॉर्मल पेंसिल है, HB पेंसिल. ये छोटा हो गया तो मैंने बड़ा यूज किया. See, normal DOMS HB pencil is there. Okay, any pencil you can use. See, only this pencil is too small, so I am taking big pencil.
Okay, ma'am.
Only one side you are doing a dark tone here. I repeat, स्टोन के एक ही साइड में आपको डार्क करना है. Is there? No need to press too much. Pressing my pencil here and do it like this. Little pressure is there, not too much pressure. Apsara extra dark जो writing pencil है, that is also fine. Normal pencil which you use for drawing. Just press little bit. Press little bit and then do it. See, I hold my pencil like this. With these two fingers here and three fingers are bended here. These three fingers, I hold it. आपको स्टोन के सिर्फ एक ही साइड में हल्का सा पेंसिल का डार्क टोन करना है. doubt about pencil shading, you can ask me for last 5 minutes for there. Stone one-sided stone, you can do it little bit darker with your pencil. Hold your pencil here, little pressure is there, and do it here 1 or 2 times. Press this part. After that, okay, I'm waiting here for 2 minutes. Now we are going to do mountain part here. For that, my pencil is downside. I take my 2 fingers, hold it here. I am doing little shade here in this corner line only, border line. This topic is little bit new for everyone.
Ma'am, is it dark toned or light?
Normal tone. स्टोन से थोड़ा बहुत लाइट आएगा ये टोन. According to stone is little dark. No need to press too much your pencil. Just do it a tone on the borderline here. I'll take a small piece of cotton. Just I'm doing a ball over here like this. I hold my cotton here and here आपकी शेडिंग के ऊपर ऐसे रखना है. आपका फर्स्ट फिंगर को प्रेस ऑन कॉटन. I repeat, press on cotton. कॉटन के ऊपर फिंगर प्रेस करना है. देन आपको आपका फिंगर हिलाना है. A little pressure is there. I repeat, a little pressure is there on the cotton. Finger. और हमने जहाँ शेडिंग किया है, आप वहाँ कॉटन को घुमाओगे like this. हम लोगों ने जहाँ पे शेडिंग किया था वहाँ पे पहले कॉटन घुमाया and the same cotton we are moving in all mountain part. So here light to dark shading comes out. I repeat again. Take a small ball of cotton and that ball hold on pencil shading part with your finger. Press little bit. Press that cotton little bit with your finger. After that, you just move your finger here and there on your shape. Now, we have started stones.
Not coming.
Now, we are doing stone part. We are doing one by one stone here. So I'll take here a new piece of cotton, make a ball here like this. I'll take a new piece of cotton, I'll make a ball, and then I'm going to press on shading. मैंने जहाँ पे शेडिंग किया है वहीं पे कॉटन रखना है like this. Hold your finger on the cotton and just press here. Where pencil tone is there, you can press again and again. At least 4 to 5 times you are going to press this part like this. In the same way, we are completing our all stones here. And started next stone. I will place same cotton here on shading part and just press the cotton with my finger, and I'll move 4 to 5 times here up and down. Downside stone. The same cotton you are using here, just move 4 to 5 times and shading comes out. Some parts are looks white, let it be because that is a highlighting part. स्टोन में कुछ पार्ट जो है आपके कॉर्नर्स वाइट दिख रहे हैं, उसको वाइट दिखने दीजिए. दैट इज अ लाइट पार्ट. Light comes from this part, so we are doing this one-sided dark and one-sided light. Someone asked me why one-sided dark. So here light comes from right side, so right side we are taking white part as a light highlighting, and left side we are doing pencil shading. Take your old cotton which is black and just move on grass part. आपका जो कॉटन ऑलरेडी ब्लैक है, आप कोई भी एक पुराना वाला कॉटन जो यूज किया है वो लो. जो कॉटन ऑलरेडी आपका ब्लैक हो चुका है, just do it on grass part here, press it and the standing line like this, because we want very light tone here. So we are just pressing our black cotton. I'm waiting here 1 minute. After that, I'm going to start waves line. hand, hold it in a normal way. I repeat again, take your pencil in your hand, hold it in a normal way and just give some lines on stone dark part. Because stone is not so soft, he is having a rough texture. Stone is having a rough texture. Just give some slanting lines over here on dark part. I repeat, आप आपका पेंसिल पकड़ो नॉर्मल जैसे राइटिंग करने के लिए पकड़ते हो वैसे ही, और स्टोन का जो डार्क पार्ट है वहां पे आप कुछ स्लांटिंग लाइंस दे दो. बिकॉज स्टोन इज हैविंग अ रफ टेक्सचर. एंड नाउ दिस इज लुक्स लाइक अ स्टोन. जस्ट गिव सम रैंडम स्लांटिंग लाइंस on dark part. This is very important, on dark part. Tissue paper. If not needed, we are not using tissue paper. Tissue paper, for that, hold downside of your hand. That's why I write there tissue paper. If needed, we are using that paper. Okay. Now hold your pencil in a normal way and downside just give some dark tone on grass. Grass downside just do some dark tone with the pencil. Hold your pencil in a normal way. जैसे हम लोग राइटिंग करने के लिए पेंसिल निकालते हैं वैसे ही आप पेंसिल पकड़ो. We are taking here some lines as a grass. This is a back side of grass. Back side में और भी कुछ grass है वो हम लोग यहाँ पे draw किए हैं. Normal you are taking grass line. Our mountain part, stone part and grass part. Everything is done with the final touches. Now we start waves part. For the waves, hold your pencil like this for the shading part. Downside with 2 fingers, hold it here and then you are going to dark this part here. Downside outlining के नीचे वाला part आपको हल्का सा डार्क करना है. Outlining downside part you are going to darker, little bit darker, not too much. Waves. All waves you have to do. बीच में बात करता है बेटा तो बाकी सब स्टूडेंट्स को मेरा पिक्चर नहीं दिखता है, आप दिखते हो. So please, if you have any queries, that case you unmute your mic and ask me. Or while class, please mute your mic. Take a cotton here, old one cotton again. And I am going to press this cotton on this wave shading in a slipping way. जो हम लोगों ने वेव में shading किया है वहां पे हम लोग ओल्ड वाला कॉटन भी यूज करेंगे तो भी चलेगा. Hold your cotton on the waves here and just press it again and again. Around 3 to 4 times you are going to press here like this. Is there? Hold your cotton here. Take your finger, little bit press, and then move around here and there. After that, this is our water part, and stones is there. So we are doing some downside line like this. In middle slipping line, we are taking some dark tone downside as a reflection. As a reflection, you take a slipping line downside as a reflection. Again I am explaining you. Again I am explaining. Downside water is there and में कोई भी चीज का रिफ्लेक्शन दिखता है, वैसे ही स्टोन्स का रिफ्लेक्शन भी पानी में दिखेगा. That's why we are doing downside little bit darker tone. Here, starting 2-3 stones are in normal height, but middle 2 stones are little bit big. So here in the middle, we are taking some lines like this for the middle big stones reflection, and this is our reflection part. Just 2 things we are going to add it here. Do it little faster. Last 2 things we are going to add it here. Downside corner lines we are going to dark it. Downside this corner line we are going to dark it with the pencil. This corner. Take your cotton and merge this corner part. In this corner, we are going to draw a small human, very smallest human is there, बहुत ही छोटा. For that, I am going to draw a small dot. Then I'll take a slipping line here and here, both sides. A very small human is there because this is a very far. A backside part is there. For the human, I draw a small dot, then 2 slipping lines, and then I'll take 2 standing lines and finish. A simple human which is very far from us. Humans down outside, you take a small line here, like a shadow. You move downside, take some lines for shadows. To draw half circle like a bumper T. A very small bumper T is there. Half circle, bumper T or bumper T, which is convenient for you. Very small part. Then we are going to fill here. After that, we take two slanting lines from here like this. After that, we take two slanting lines. Then we draw a small square here. In between two slanting lines, we draw a square. A very small girl. गर्ल भी आप बहुत छोटी सी ड्रॉ करोगे. सबसे पहले आप एक बम्पर टी लाइन ड्रॉ करोगे, उसको डार्क कर दिया पेंसिल. Then you take two slanting lines. After that, in between two slanting lines, you take a small square. वो स्क्वायर का पार्ट भी आप डार्क कर दो ब्लैक से. पेंसिल से डार्क करो. Then draw a circle here with two slanting line and slipping line. Dark that part. And draw two slanting lines here. And she is also too far. Now, girls downside, we are doing some dark lines like a reflection. गर्ल जहाँ पे खड़ी है उसके नीचे आप थोड़े से स्लिपिंग लाइंस ड्रॉ करोगे डाउन साइड. And this is our complete picture. Here I am waiting for 2-3 minutes. If anyone work is incomplete, please complete your work.